Today I'm going to show you how to personalize your taskbar in Windows 11. Ladies and gentlemen, from your desktop, we want to go down over here on our taskbar, right click on it and go to taskbar settings. And here you'll be able to completely customize everything that you see. So here we have search, so we can have our search bar. We can even hide that search bar. We can have it a search icon only, a search icon and label, or just a search bar. So that's, as you can see, that's what that looks like. That's what that looks like. And then you can of course hide it completely. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and look at the task view. So if you click that, you'll actually be able to turn off that task view. And then we have widgets, which we can turn on and off, which is on the left hand side over here. And then we have our system tray icons. This over here, you'll find you can add emojis and more. And then your pen menu, your touch keyboard, if you have one available, and then other system tray icons. You can just literally drop this down, and here you can see everything that is here. All right. And here, quite simply, you can just check them on or off. So, for example, CapCut. Switch it on there. You'll see that CapCut will be or appear over here. Now, you have the taskbar behavior. Okay. Once you open this, you'll see taskbar alignment. So you can say center or left, and that looks a little bit more old school. Then we have over here automatically hide the taskbar. Okay, so that looks like that. You can show badges on your taskbar. All right, you can also show flashing on your taskbar apps. And then you can show all of your taskbars on all displays if you have multiple displays. And then when you're using multiple displays, you can show it on the taskbar apps. Then you can share any window from your taskbar. You can select the far corner of the taskbar to show your desktop. That's that one right over there. You click on that, it'll say show desktop. And then you can combine your taskbar buttons and your hide labels. Okay, so here if we say always, here we can say never. That's what that looks like. And then here you can combine the taskbar buttons and hide the labels on the other taskbars. And then you can show smaller taskbar buttons only when it's smaller. You can say always, or you can say never, whatever the case may be. We also have some related settings over here, which is your date and time and notifications, which is actually, in fact, also on your taskbar. So go ahead and look through all of your settings to customize that.